Good morning, everybody. It's Jessica Stortz with Stortz Wellness, and I'm here to make a raspberry lime cooler smoothie. This is in preparation for our online smoothie workshop we're doing, so I'm going to be posting all of these recipes and blogging them. But if you want to do the actual workshop, you buy a canister of this wonderful shake, and then I'm going to send you all the directions, grocery list, recipes in one, and a step-by-step video tutorial so that you can assemble 14 smoothies, have them in your freezer, and then all you have to do is take that baggie out, dump it in your blender, add the milk you want, and blend. Super simple, super easy, so that's what we're prepping for. All right, so let's get started with this raspberry lime cooler one. I'm gonna add almond milk. You can do soy milk, you can do regular milk. It all depends on what you want, and I like about 12 ounces. So I'm gonna put in a little bit more here. And if you noticed, I did get a new blender. We're trying out the Vitamix now. I don't get paid by Vitamix or Ninja or any of those. We're gonna add a cup of raspberries. I just did a whole container of raspberries, and I couldn't find frozen raspberries this week at the store. So I just stuck the container into the freezer and froze it like that. I also have my powder, 2 scoops of plant protein, gives me 20 grams of protein, low glycemic, 6 grams of fiber, gluten-free, dairy-free, cholesterol-free, non-GMO, 23 vitamins and minerals, love it. Also low calorie. And now I'm just gonna add 2 tablespoons worth of lime juice. This is kind of interesting. You've seen my Ninja blend, and I know like usually you don't watch a blender, but a friend had sent me a picture of her Vitamix blending, and I was sold. So I turn on my Vitamix, and this one, there's different models, but it actually has a smoothie one that I'm gonna press, and you'll watch it run. Oh, there's a little too much frozen. Stop it early because I felt like it's totally blended, but that's what I thought was so cool when I saw her blender. It like will automatically ramp up. Now that's a feature that's on this one, but you can actually do that on your own, but it really blends things well. So I want to go back and make some of the triple green ones and see how they taste. So that is it. I forgot my shaker bottle, but you can see it's all blended up. And that's it. So that's all we do. This is the raspberry lime cooler. If you guys love what we're doing, please subscribe. We're going to be recording videos on some different vitamins and the ones we use and just talking about what we like. But if you have topics that you want to hear about, please tell us about them in the comments below. You guys have an awesome day. Remember, this is Jessica Stortz with Stortz Wellness, empowering you to maximize your time, health, and finances so that you can live more intentionally in the moments of life. You have a great day.